Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you press your brake pedal and you hear a grinding, squealing, squeaking noises coming from the brakes. Stay with us guys, we will explain the top 3 things that can cause that, maybe even 5 things. So make sure to stand till the end, we'll share super helpful information that can save you quite a bit of money as well. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we have the brakes here taken apart on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we're working on guys. As I said, we'll have quite a few videos. We're in the process of putting the engine out and we'll have mechanical videos of all kind of sorts. So let's explain now guys. Okay, if you have noises coming from the brakes when you press the brake pedal, like grinding, squeaking noises guys, what can cause that now? Okay, now number one thing, you need to check guys, the thickness of your brake pads. Okay, if the brake pads are too wore out, there is one device on your Hyundai Sonata, on one of the brake pads. It's a metal, I need to fix it this way so I can show you guys. It's that metal plate right here, and if the brake pad gets worn to that plate will contact the disc, the rotor, and every time you press the brakes, the disc will contact that metal plate and it will create that noise. So you know that you need new brakes. That's why it is there guys, for safety, so it can get noisy before you run out of braking pad. Number 2, let's say you ignore that thing, you keep driving and then it starts grinding even more. What causes that? Your brake pad got so wore out that the metal part of the brake pad is contacting the disc. You don't want that to happen because even the brakes can fall off, you can lose your brakes, it's dangerous guys. So those are 2 of the things. What else can cause that guys? Number 3, sometimes you can see how the brake pads contacts the disc rotor. Here, like a rock, gravel, grain, something can get stuck guys, let's say rock or sand really easily can do that. And if you have that material stuck between the brake pad and the rotor, it can actually create noise as well. And unfortunately guys, you have to wait for it to wear out or to remove the pads and clean it in some cases. Often if you have a rock or something, you can even see a groove starting to form on the caliper. That's quite common as well. Now number 4 guys, number 4. If the brakes are too old, let's just remove one of them to show you. If those brake pads are too old, they can be burnt. I mean, the brake pad will get too hard, the contacting surfaces. It can create that mirror shine, like a shiny top on the brake pad, and that can create noises and squeaking when you press the brake pedal. And number 5, it could be guys a rotor that's too shiny, or it could be a rotor that has surface cracks that can cause that as well. So once you suspect the noise guys, fix it as soon as you can. Those are the top 5. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.